If you have tax problems, we have some solutions. I'm Jim Demetrio of Demetrio, Montano and Associates. We've been representing people in Southern California for the last 20 years. We're former IRS, and we know how the IRS thinks and what they talk about and what they want. We can provide professional representation to make sure you're protected, your family's protected, your income and finances are protected. If you have a tax lien, you know the IRS is looking for you. We can make arrangements to resolve the unpaid taxes that you owe. We can get you an installment agreement. We can convince the IRS to leave you alone for a year or two until financial times get better for you. We can sometimes negotiate a reduction of the debt through an offer in compromise, or possibly eliminate the debt altogether with a bankruptcy. But we know we can help you and stay between you and the IRS. If you owe the IRS money, we're going to find solutions. We will determine your financial ability to resolve your tax problems, your tax debt. Can you pay the IRS $50 a month, or can you pay them $500 a month? Our complete in-depth financial analysis will determine that. Then we will go to the IRS and negotiate a resolution to your tax problem that you can financially afford. We won't let them coerce you into an installment agreement that you cannot afford. We will make sure that you only pay monthly what you can afford to pay. Perhaps you can't afford to pay anything right now. Then we will make sure the IRS suspends all active collection against you for 1, 2, 3, or 4 years until things get better for you financially. Then we'll negotiate that installment agreement at that time. If you owe so much money that you can never pay it off, you've heard the ads about pennies on the dollar. Those are offers in compromise. That's where we approach the IRS to settle what you owe for a lump sum of an amount significantly less than you owe. So if you cannot pay all your total IRS debt over the next 10 years, we can negotiate the offer in compromise for an amount less than you actually owe. But that too requires complete financial analysis and presentation to the IRS. Not everybody gets an offer in compromise. It's very difficult. It takes time, 6 months to a year, sometimes longer. They're few and far between, but again, if you qualify, if you're unable to pay what you owe over the next 10 years, we can negotiate a settlement for much less than you owe. At Demetrio, Montano and Associates, our clients never talk to the IRS. That's why our clients hire us, to get in between the IRS and you and determine your ability to pay, because we know what to say, but more importantly, what not to say. If you have tax problems, we can find solutions for you. We will set up an appointment at one of our 2 offices for a no-charge consultation. We'll discuss your unique financial situation and your specific tax problem. We will review different ways to resolve your tax problems. If you choose to hire us, we'll do a fee agreement and we'll give you the statement of what we're going to do for you and what information you have to give to us. Then we will negotiate on your behalf with the IRS to resolve your tax problems once and for all.